All right, for vector value functions, the total distance traveled by a particle from point A to point B is going to be the integral, a definite integral from A to B, of the magnitude of velocity, which would be equal to the integral from A to B, and then the magnitude of velocity, the square root of x prime of t squared plus y prime of t squared with respect to t. So let's do an example. It says, given the velocity vector of the particle, the x component is 2t plus 1, the y component is just 5, and the position of the particle at time t equals 0 is the point 1, 2. Find the position when time t equals 3. And then what is the distance traveled on the interval 0 to 3? So the first thing I need to do is find the position. So the position is just the antiderivative of velocity. So this would be t squared plus t plus c. That would be the x component. The y component would be 5 times t. So I know when time t equals 0, the positions are 1 and 2. So I'm going to say when t is 0, so plug in 0. So 0 squared plus 0 plus c would be c. The x number is 1. So I can call this c1. And of course, I forgot to write this was plus c2. So c1 is 1. And then if t is 0, the y component is 2. So t2, if I plug in 0, 5 times 0 is just 0, plus c2 would give us 2. So the position vector would be t squared plus t plus 1, and then 5t plus 2. Now, when it says time t equals 3, what would the position be? So when time is 0, the position is 1, 2, right? So if I plug in 3, the position is at, so 3 squared is 9 plus 3 is 12, so it would be 13. Then plug in 3 for the y component would be 17. So that means the position vector is at 13, 17. The x component is 13, the y component is 17. So the total distance traveled, it's not asking for the magnitude of that. It's not just like the displacement. It's saying the total distance. So like as it was moving around, how far did it travel? So I'm going to integrate from 0 to 3, the magnitude of the velocity vector. So this would be equal to the integral from 0 to 3 of, okay, the velocity, whoops, where's velocity? Velocity was given to us. So the derivative would be what, 2? So I don't think I did this right when I did my notes. So square root of derivative of velocity. Oh, okay, no, this is just a velocity, right? It's the derivative of the, okay, I'm back. So 2t plus 1 squared, which is the velocity, which is the derivative of the x component, and then 5 squared dt. And I can do this in my calculator, be calculator active, and I get 19.649. Yeah, that's probably all I want to say about that one. So hopefully this kind of helped. This is the total distance traveled, just another formula you have to memorize. So thank you for watching this video. Hopefully it helped. Bye.